Hey guys, welcome back to this channel, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to set up the quick chat on Mobile Legends. So without any further ado, let's get started. First thing you need to do is you need to log in into your Mobile Legends account, and if you already log in, you can click the preparation menu over here. And in the preparation menu, you can choose the quick chat below the skin pane menu. Okay, and then you can see over here you can defend call or quick chat, attack quick chat, and communicate quick chat. For the defend quick chat, here's a lot of the quick chat. Also for the attack and communicate. And how to set, you can click the quick chat right over here. And then if you want to change the quick chat, you can click uh, the quick chat that you want to edit. Okay, like this. Click the quick chat. For this example, I will I will choose the split up and replace it to the push first, like this. Okay, so here it is. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. And if you have a questions, you can leave it in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.